Hey besties, welcome back to another video. Well, actually this is going to be the part 2 of a video from yesterday that I didn't get to finish because my hubby called. He came home early, so I do apologize for that. I hope you guys are all enjoying your day so far. Hello to all my current besties. Hello to all the new besties. Welcome here. If you could like, comment, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Click that bell notification, get notified every time I upload a new video, just like this one. And yeah, and if there's any new people watching that haven't not subscribed yet, go and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, so let's get started. So we just have the painting. We have the little square that we were doing yesterday, and I put tape on it. We're gonna turn on the light. We're gonna take this off. And yeah, so and then I just got my purple pen with my single placer, my black tweezers, of course the big white tray, the sticky tack in case we need any more, and then of course we have, sorry for the arm reach, we have all the diamonds right here, most important. Okay, so now we're gonna go up, we're gonna zoom in, go up to the middle, make sure it's in the middle, not crooked. There we go. We're gonna zoom in a little bit more. There we go, that's good. Okay, so we left off with 8. Next up is T, 3721. There we go. Oh, and of course, we're gonna be having, we will be doing tomorrow's regular video as well, so watch out for that. Make sure I put the right ones on the right ones. I was gonna do this at my table out there because my mother-in-law went out, but she didn't stay out very long. She only went over to the mall, which is across the street from where I live, so I live just behind the mall, so she wasn't gone very long. Okay. Okay, next up is M. We do have a couple M's. Hold on, just take a bite of. I have a drink and some cookies beside me, so kind of eating that. Okay, next, so I said M, and that is 3776. You'll probably hear the crunching that I'm chewing. Try not to be so close to the speaker when I do chew. Oh, that was quick. I guess I could have just grabbed it with my fingers because it wasn't many. Tap, tap, always. Always gotta tap, tap. Okay, next up is 7. And there's no 7. G, there is 1 G. That is 3822. This will be a very, very short video because, as you know, I don't have much color left here. There we go. I do want to go out and do what my mother-in-law did and go to the mall real quick. Come back. So that's another reason why it's a short video, because I probably would have done some of this square so that we could do the rest of this tomorrow, but it's still going to be tomorrow and Sunday, and then we're done this painting. Oh yeah, and I still gotta make that video. I still gotta choose which paintings and make the video to show you guys which ones I chose, and then you guys can, I'll do like a little poll and you guys can say which one you would like me to do next, and whichever one gets the most people saying to do this one, that will be the one I do. So yeah, I will have to make that video in between these two, so I'll probably do that Saturday. Okay, so next up is Y, and that is 38, 38. We just have 3, so this time I'm just gonna get 3 instead of pouring all that out. But our last one will have a good shake. We'll have a good shake on our last one, because as you can see, there's a lot of color, or a lot of arrows, bent arrows. Okay. Okay. Last but not least, the bent arrow, number 3865. I'll try to go not too fast, so that way it's make the video a little bit longer than what it would be if it went fast. It didn't really. There we go. I might need some more stick text. It's not making much popping noise. Whoops, as I drop it. Alright, I just dropped the sticky tack. Okay, let's get a good popping going for our last color. There we go. Okay, we gotta make sure there's no paper on it though. Nope, no paper, okay. Okay. There we go. That's what I like, right there. Well, my mother-in-law knows I'm awake, so I don't have to be quiet. Oop, that one didn't pop. And I'm going fast. I should be going slow. I'm very weird. I like to get everything looking like this. Does anybody else do that? Or am I just the weird one? I think I'm just the weird one. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna get this even. Okay, let's clean this pen off a little bit, because it's starting to stick out the sides. I think the old stuff, I think the new stuff came off. Oh, hold on, guys. Sticky tack again. Sticky tack again. Okay. I'm glad that the sticky stuff is stickier today. Look at that 2-in-1. Oh, don't stop, Robert. Come on. Gotta make a good popping sound before I finish. Okay, guys, last one. Let's see if we can make a good pop. Yeah, there we go. One more. Yeah. Here we go. And there we go, guys. We are done. Another square. 2 more to go. Yay. Yay. And there we go. Let's zoom out. Push this down. And there we go. Turn off the light. Put our sticky tag back in its thing. Put it back in there. Put that in. Oh, we gotta put this in. This is oops, sorry. This is garbage. It's garbage. Okay, we're gonna close that. And there we go, guys. We are done. Another square. Look at that. Look, we're almost done. And look, aren't they so cute? Look at that. Look at that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, the rest from yesterday. And I hope you guys all enjoy the rest of your day. Again, new people, like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys all tomorrow for our regular video. We'll be doing the second to last square. So see you guys then. Bye, besties.